Frequently asked questions. So let us see what these frequently asked questions are all about. So let's talk about this on this particular episode directly. All right. So what is special about Zeniq Digital? All right. So Zeniq Technologies provides a unique ecosystem to its customers, which connects your crypto wallet to an IBAN account, which is like seamlessly connecting your fiat account. You can store and access all your fiat and crypto assets in the ecosystem through the Zeniq Hub, which is placed in the security of your home. So you actually have, most people have safes and things like that, but you actually have a Zeniq Hub, which can be translated into your own bank right there on that tablet. So it's fascinating things that they've created. So who is behind Zeniq? It's a good question, and I'll show you the team as well. We have another presentation for that. Team of crypto and fintech enthusiasts who see the added value of blockchain technology in everyday life. We've been dealing with blockchain for about 10 years and originally come from business and industry. Our aim is to mainstream the use of crypto technology and cryptocurrency in any business field. Awesome. Like the direction you're going there. Is Zeniq safe? Well, with Zeniq, as our main aim is to sustain your privacy and maximize security by using our Zeniq Hub and our unique shielding technology. All third-party services for multi-factor authentication have been eliminated. So the shielding, so what they've done is created a shielding process, which is a new thing for security. Is it works from the inside out. So you don't have to bring in any third-party authentication in order to make it secure. So pretty powerful right there. Like I said, they pretty much thought of it all. What does Hub 01 mean? Good question. Everyone has purchased the Zeniq Hub 01 will get the minting option to produce Zeniq coins. The earlier you buy your Zeniq Hub 01, the earlier you start minting, and therefore you get more Zeniq coins. The minting option does not apply to the Zeniq Hub 02. Okay, so it's a hub for obviously creating more coins, plus some of the other things we talked about earlier. What is the Zeniq ecosystem made of initially, and what will happen next? I think we've talked about that already, but let's just cover this as well. At first, Zeniq consists of the Zeniq Coin and the Zeniq Hub. Additional unique services will be added over time. The crypto exchange for trading assets of all kinds, fiat and SEPA integration, business to business, business to customer, payment interfaces, and one-off services that we still want to surprise our customers with. So yeah, they believe that there's so many more things that they're going to do. It's like I said, with the tokenization and things like that. So they didn't want to put all of that in one. So I have talked with the director of the marketing, and there are some things that they're talking about now that they didn't have when they built the website. All right. Will Zeniq Coin be tradable on the stock exchange? Nope. What is so special about the exchange? There's a lot of things special about the exchange, but let's hit a few right quick. Basically, the Zeniq exchange will have some unique features that focus on customer benefit. Compared to other marketplaces, Zeniq's transaction fees will be very low. Users who have Zeniq can use them for fee reduction. One of the main features of the exchange is the seamless integration of fiat as IBAN account and will allow SEPA transactions. Withdrawals have no fees, and our Zeniq Hub allows outstanding security. Furthermore, our main aim is to make the exchange mobile accessible for all functions. And yes, this is another profit center for coin holders of the Zeniq Coin. We will get 100% of the commissions from the fees generated by that exchange. It's pretty awesome. What is the Zeniq Coin? The Zeniq Coin is the newly created coin with our own blockchain to support our financial ecosystem and as a medium for profit sharing through the added value generated by the Zeniq exchange. At the same time, the Zeniq Coin will also be used in the future for realizing real and profitable Zeniq projects, with an additional listing on other international exchange platforms. The expected value development of the Zeniq Coin is thus not only linked to a profit sharing of the exchange, but also to the future Zeniq projects and as a means of payment for products and services. Awesome. So how do I order a Zeniq Hub? Glad you asked. The Zeniq Hub can be conveniently purchased through the online store or through our resellers. All required information is collected through the ordering process. After completing the payment, the Zeniq Hub will be delivered to your home. If you are interested to become a reseller, please contact us here. Now, one of the main ways that you get one of the Zeniq Hubs is to contact somebody like myself or any of my team, and we will give you a brief overview of this information, and then we'll give you options as to investment packages that you can actually invest in and make a deposit. And depending on the investment package, it will determine how many coins you actually get per day. And so you can actually see that on our official business presentation. Okay, let's see here. We already said it's safe. Do I have my Zeniq Hub warranty? Is there a warranty? Of course, if you have problems with the Zeniq Hub, please contact our office immediately. We would love to help you further. Okay, great. Appreciate that. What is special about Zeniq Payment Solution? So let's close it out with this. Zeniq allows simple integration and acceptance of payments and cryptocurrencies in all online shops and online services. Offline, Zeniq will connect with point-of-sale companies. Furthermore, an interface or API for the simple and sustainable connection of ATMs has been developed as well. Finally, a way is created to connect the entire financial world with a simple and understandable application. See Zeniq as a kind of PayPal of the blockchain world. That is the Zeniq website. I hope that information was very helpful. I hope that it gave you some insight to the power of Zeniq Technologies and how the marketing arm, which I am part of, benefit greatly from bringing awareness to the Zeniq opportunity and helping to give you an avenue to where you can actually invest into the Zeniq Hub, as well as the Zeniq Technologies and the Zeniq tokenization, as well as the Zeniq exchange, and ultimately the Zeniq Coin. These are all ways that you can benefit and profit from being part of the coin holders of the Zeniq technologies that are being produced. And all of these are profit centers that will increase your passive income. Okay, so for the opportunity, definitely get in touch with me and I will be happy to give you an opportunity presentation and talk about the actual investment pieces, the investment packages that are available to you. All right, so there's a minimum, there's a middle, and obviously there's for the really people that can afford larger packages. We have everything that you need to become a coin holder with Zeniq Technologies. I welcome you to be part of change. I welcome you to be part of the solution, and I welcome you to be part of the future. Zeniq Coin is the future of payments, and I hope that you join me in realizing the power of that as well. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed all of these short takes and series on the Zeniq opportunity. Look forward to working with you. Take care. Talk to you soon. Hi, and thank you for watching that episode. I hope you enjoyed what you just saw. Please join me on the next one. It's coming right up.